Hello, 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 world. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Rah. By the water. We are water. It is through the fire that we see the light. It is the air we breathe that grounds both you and me. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Source say. Carry the torch. Hold the fire. Be the one. You are the ones. Carry the torch. Hold the fire. Be the ones. You are the ones. Carry the torch. Hold the fire. Be the ones. We are the ones. Welcome, 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 welcome back to T.R.a.m. Tarot. Back with your High Priestess, Astral Tawaz, better known to most as Tracy. Back with a collective Sagittarius read. The whole pile started all over again, so I know it felt like I just read for Sagittarius because I did. I really a few videos back, but it's starting all over again because I pull the signs each time before I read. That's how I determine who I'm gonna read for. Alrighty, so I've already cleaned and cleansed the energies. I don't have a channel message. Just hope that everybody got up on my last channel message and made them altars and came to those altars. I did have a channel message I did on Facebook Live, but the gist of it was like, cause that's I just got done doing that, and it was kind of a little draining. But the gist of it was, when you far along on your spiritual journey, sometimes you think you shouldn't be doing the same shit you was already doing before. You think you feel like you should be doing better. Like nobody, especially, like in relationships, nobody should be able to get nothing past you. You should be able to see these things. And if you fall for it, you spend a lot of time. We spend a lot of time. I have been spending a lot of time because I fell for it just recently. And I spent a lot of time at, how come I ain't see this? And then like, what's up? Well, how come y'all ain't warned me about this shit? What the fuck? I thought y'all had my... And it's like, if I would have told you that this is going to be a situation to elevate you, but it was going to be this person going to reach in, rip your heart out, wipe their ass with it, throw it on the ground, and start crip walking on it, which you have went in. And you can say yeah all day long, but you wouldn't have went in wholeheartedly. And then what would you have gained from it? It would have just been a waste of time. A waste of fucking time. So you have to go in it, believing and hoping. See, spiritual people spend a lot of time alone. And most of the time, we've been alone our whole lives. So it's easy sometimes. And then we spend time like chastising ourselves. Like, we should know better. You should know better. But when you spend a lot of time alone, anyway, you want to have that soul family. You hoping that this is that, And guess what? It's supposed to go that way. Because if you didn't step into it, then how the fuck would you grow? You would still be sitting back there some motherfucking where, hoping, wishing, praying. The only way you get the vibe on the highest frequency for the things you're trying to attract in life is if you get to go through shit and elevate and get up there with that. It just don't happen by wishing all I might. You got to be on the frequency with that. And how does that happen? The old shit got to be bulldozed down. And then taken and alchemized and turn that shit into power, into gold. It's precious. It's for your benefit. It's how you evolve. It's how you become. Yes, beautiful world. Without it, you be stuck back there doing what the fuck everybody else doing. That horrible shit that's gonna be ooh-wee. Wait till this motherfucking next year come in, the year to 9, Everybody's like, oh, just wait. I ain't even finna say nothing else. I'm finna step straight away to my beautiful Sagittarius. Because, yes. Alrighty. So, you know how this goes. You can have Sagittarius anywhere in your chart for this to be a relatable read. You don't have to. You can still find some relatable pieces. Roles are interchangeable. Get yourself where you go. Get where you get. Fit where you fit. As we close out this year, I'm coming in light as a fucking feather, baby. Light as a fucking feather. The last shit I just went through 2 weeks ago, where I'm like, first I was beating up myself. Man, that shit elevated me so motherfucking high. Ooh-wee. I give thanks and praises, all be. Yes, yes. Thanks and praises. I'll be. Yes. All right. We got the 1 on the bottom of the deck. And we cut the deck with sex traffickers. My refrigerator said too. Ooh. Hospital. Ooh wee. Some shit about to go down. Rain. It's some tears gonna be shed. I love you. Arthur. Libra. Justice. Some type of justice happening. On the bottom of the deck we got model. Model. Sex traffickers. I'm picking up somebody about to these sex traffickers about to get made. They about to become a source about to make a model out of them. Let's get some tarot, my beautiful Sagittarius. Yeah, source about to make a source about to make an example out of them, a model. Cause it's gonna be seen. It's gonna be seen by many. They finna get it. Something finna be exposed. Something big finna be exposed. It's finna be seen by many. So it's about to make an example out of these people. Behind the scenes. I don't know how you connected to them, Sagittarius, but you are in some kind of way. We got 6 of Cups. Scorpio energy, Sun and Scorpio. Cut the deck with the Queen of Swords. And this card ain't even supposed to be in here. Totally different card. You get over there. And these fell out. What fell out? The Page of Cups, the 2 of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. So could be this could be somebody's son that they don't see how their new beginning is. I don't know what the hell this is. Let's tap in. All them cards fell out, so let's cut. On the bottom of the deck we got the Page of Cups. So some type of an apology. With the 4 of Wands from an Aries. Definitely an Aries. My nose is nosing. Definitely an Aries. Venus and Aries could be also could be a Taurus or a Libra. Or this could be just like a family-like setting, because I said Sun. I seen Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Page of something, all son, all child. And with the sun up, definitely could be a son. And 4 of Wands could represent family. 6 of Pentacles. Somebody tried to breadcrumb you. For some of y'all, it's a son. They under judgment. Queen of Pentacles could represent a mother. 5 of Swords and a mother. Page of Swords writing something. Stuck. They're trying to make somebody be stuck, a star be stuck. So this could be your son, Sagittarius, writing something about you, trying to make you be stuck. But justice is happening to this son. They don't see it coming. I hear peace. I think you're going to have some strength, Sagittarius. Some stuff going to be coming. Whoa, all these cards fell out. Some stuff going to be coming towards you. And it could, for some of you, it's a son. For some of you, it could be a twin flame, but I'm picking up on the sun. All right, let's get another Tarot to clarify that. Let's get these 1 cents. That one, that Queen of Swords was sticking in there. Yep, a son. They about to have a tower for betraying a mother. They're under justice. They're under judgment. Spiritual court is in right now. Somebody is looked at as a tyrant, a devil. Or they working with the devil. Capricorn energy. Jupiter and Capricorn against the Sagittarius. You know Jupiter ruled by Sagittarius. Sagittarius and Pisces. A Pisces could be involved. A Pisces could be personate. Eight of Cups. Somebody was told to walk away from something. But the devil, Capricorn energy, they was obsessed with something. They couldn't let something go. They couldn't let well enough be. It definitely could be a child. Eight of Swords. And I just saw smoke. I just motherfucking saw smoke. And I've been feeling fire all day. I couldn't find my lighter thing, and I was babysitting my grandkids over the past couple days. Because of school out, my daughter got to go to work. So the older one, the 10-year-old one was like, "Huh, Grandma, she had this," and the little 4-year-old one had my lighter, my candle lighter. And then when I got done, they left and stuff. I wanted to light my candles and take me a spiritual bath. I'm like, "Where the hell that lighter at?" And the first thing hit me was text my daughter and let my daughter know, just in case they thought, kids like playing with things they think is cool and things they don't supposed to be playing with. So right away, I text my daughter. I'm like, make sure they check your bags and stuff and make sure they ain't got that lighter, because, man, baby, I felt fire and I just saw smoke. Yep. What did they say? The devil is representing like hell hot. Yes. Cut the devil cut with Six of Pentacles again. This person trying to fuck you, your child, your son trying to fuck you over. They've been Five of Swords right behind that again, just like it was in that deck. The wheels about to change. They starting to turn. Jupiter and Capricorn. Libra, Justice, King of Swords. I said court is in session. Somebody about to be laid in the cold. Laid out in the cold, laid to the cold. When you dead, your body go cold. Queen of Cups. I don't know why I just said dead. Somebody about to make a peaceful exit. Six of Swords. Nine of Swords. It's going to put you in your head. That's why I felt like, Sagittarius, you're going to need to be strong for somebody. You're going to need to be strong because somebody trying to throw some type of monkey wrench in your plan or something like that, and it could be your kid, and spiritual court is in session. Six of Pentacles cut with Page of Swords. Like I had already cut and I cut again and it went right back to that. And that's something. Yes. King of Pentacles. They want to do this. I just heard they want to try to come some kingpin. They always been looking for some type of glory and glamour and glitz. They ain't never been happy just trying to be themselves. And they already got a lot. King of Pentacles, their husband. They got 10 of Cups on the bottom of the deck. They got a family. But they would, time and time again, it's like they won't choose their family. And then they get to blame you, Sagittarius, Wounded Warrior. Mars and Sag. I mean, not Mars. Yes, the moon. No, it's moon. Moon and Sag. I'm thinking that Aries is Mars. Moon and Sag. Moon and Sag. They think it's hidden from you. Five of Swords. Or it might be hidden from you. The stuff that's going on behind the scenes. That's about to change. Yeah, I said court is in session. Somebody about to be, making a peaceful exit. All right, let's get... I don't even know what card came out. What card came out? We're going to get another one. This reading throwing me. This is deep. Queen of Pentacles. Definitely a mother. Oh, was it King of Pentacles? I don't know. But what's on the bottom? And Knight of Pentacles. Fuck. What the fuck? And Knight of Pentacles. Definitely a son. And was on the bottom of this deck. Queen of Pentacles. Oh, we see hospital. Some shit about to happen. Some shit's about to happen. I heard you fucking with a royal one. You fucking with royalty. They don't play about royalty. They don't fucking play about royalty. Fucking with a chosen one. I heard that one. Alright, let's 10 of Cups. This person has a family that they should be putting their time and effort into. And have gratitude. They don't. They want to, it's like they need to do something in order to obtain something. They're not satisfied. 10 of Cups, cut the deck with. Getting that bag. Did I just say that? They need to be worried about their family, but all they worried about is getting that bag. Money. They believe that money, this person believes that money will make them happy. They believe if they have enough of it, they'll be happy finally. When happiness already been within them and already around them, with their family. 9 of Cups, they already had everything they wanted. And they didn't even realize that. They couldn't change the way they saw something. They couldn't adjust the way they were too stubborn to adjust the way that they saw something. So they betrayed you. Or they're intending to. And that don't happen with no royalty. Stump, you chump. I just said that don't happen with royalty, baby. But congrats to you. You're going to be sad, but you move on. What else can you do? Put that 3. Degree in life skills. Degree in life skills. This, yes, you have obtained. Man, source got his hand on you. Your whole spiritual family got their hand. Yes. And yep, that's all that motherfucker know is getting the bag. Big gifts coming soon. Yeah, you about to get a boost up from the spiritual world. I can't stay away. I'm fucked up. That's somebody in y'all energy. 10 of Wands. End of a cycle. Cycle was closing. This is a kind of a deep read. It kind of like when will my Cancer read? I guess, shit, the 9's kicking off. The 9 is kicking off like, what? Bam. Oh, kicking the door open like, here come karma. I've been telling motherfuckers the 8 been taking names like Santa Claus to making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Huh. We. All right, world.